Welcome back to Learn How to Earn, your go-to destination for all things financial. Today, we're diving deep into the world of personal finance software. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, you've come to the right place. Imagine this. Get personal finance software, best budgeting apps, tax software for financial planning, expense tracking tools. These are the tools that could revolutionize the way you manage your money. Let's get started by unlocking the potential of personal finance software. First up, best budgeting apps. We'll explore how these apps can help you create budgets, track expenses, and achieve your financial goals. Next, we're delving into tax software for financial planning. Learn how these tools simplify tax preparation, optimize deductions, and put more money back in your pocket. And don't forget expense tracking tools. Discover how these apps can revolutionize the way you monitor and manage your spending. The ultimate goal: financial freedom. Explore these keywords: get personal finance software, best budgeting apps, tax software for financial planning, and expense tracking tools to take that first step. Still not convinced? Hear from individuals who have transformed their financial lives using personal finance software. Ready to take action? Check out the links in the video description to explore these personal finance tools. Your journey to financial mastery begins now. In summary, personal finance software can be the key to unlocking financial success. Start today, and you'll be on the path to financial freedom and prosperity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more financial insights. Your financial future awaits. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, stay financially savvy and keep those budgets balanced.